Hello class, this is Mr. Guidry, your English and Language Arts teacher. This tutorial will show you how to log into ReadWorks for the first time, where you will be completing your online assignments. First thing you need to do is pull up a browser and type in www.readworks.org. Once you type that in and press enter, it'll take you to the page you're looking at now. On this page, you look on the top right, you'll see Student Login. When you click on Student Login, it'll say down here, enter a class code. I have it set up where you need a class code to get into the class. And the code you type in is AJYZPU. That's AJYZPU. This might be a good time to select pause, write this down, keep it with you. This is the code you need to get into the class. If for some reason you forget your code, and you're not in the class and you have access to email, you can email me at lguidry@italyisd.org and I will send you your code. So once you do that, we'll hit continue. Look for your name. This is my name. This is my first name. And remember, this is only for the tutorial. You may not call me by my first name. It's Mr. Guidry. You click on your name. And under password, your password is going to be 1234. If you need to write that down, go ahead and write it down now. Your password is 1234. For some reason, you click on the wrong name, like where it says I'm not Lee. Well, I am Lee, so I will click here. If not, you click I am not whoever it says you are. If it is you, click continue. And here we are. You see your article of a day set, and you'll see your circus comes to town. Notice this one has the audio that'll read to you. This one doesn't. The reason is the article a day set lets me know your comprehension level. It lets me know how far you've gone along. You do this one first. Always do the article a day set. You'll see it right underneath that. Oops, sorry, let's try that again. You see it right there. There you go. So you click on it, and it'll give you two choices. I don't really care which one you choose, but you have to choose one. If you're feeling a little confident, choose the one with more words, or choose the one with less words if you're not feeling so confident. But eventually, you'll have to choose the ones with larger words. So we'll start out simple. We'll click on that. Are you sure you want to read Our Spiders and Insects? You'll click yes. Our Spiders and Insects, and you'll have about 2 paragraphs on this one. After you read it, you go to your book of knowledge. Now, I'm not going to answer the question here, but it says, please write 2 or 3 things you have learned from the article that you want to remember. Remember, I'm looking for grammar. Make sure you capitalize. Make sure you use your punctuation. Make sure you do all that while you're writing. Plus, you need to tell me some things you learned. I'm just going to write the word test in here because this is just a test. And I want to hit submit. You've completed your book of knowledge entry for this text. Hit submit again. And it's going to take you back to assignments. Now, after you finish the article a day, you go to your next one. This is your reading passage. The circus comes to town. You'll click on this one. And here is your article right here. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. This one has the audio function. So if you want it to read to you, click this button. Okay, that's just a little example. It will read to you. Some of you, it will help you to follow along as it reads. After you're finished reading your passage, you'll come to the vocabulary. The vocabulary will give you a couple of words to go through. It'll give you definitions. I just want you to familiarize yourself with this. We'll go over this part in class, but I want you to read it. It has 3 words: ban, popularity, protest. It brings you through the definition, the advanced definition, and transitive verb. Transitive verb, it goes through all that. If there's something in here you do not understand, make a note of it and bring it up in class, and we'll go over it together. After that, you go to your questions. It has 10 comprehension questions, which most of these passages do. It goes, what is the town passage famous for? You answer the question. You just go through all 10 questions. Also, if you want the questions read to you. You saw what I just did where I clicked that little speaker. You click it here, and then it will read it to you. And you can have their answers read to you. If you feel you need to do that, go ahead. That's why that resource is there for you. After you're finished everything, you hit submit. Of course, I didn't answer any questions. It says you have 10 unanswered questions. It'll tell you if you missed any, but I'm just going to hit submit as an example. And it goes assignment submitted. Thank you. You go to return the assignments. Now, because I did the other one, it disappeared from assignments to do. It means I'm finished. Your article a day assignment, it'll still be up there. So tomorrow, you click on this again, it'll give you another article for your article a day. And then a new assignment will be down here at the bottom. We will go over the submitted assignments every day in class. We'll go over your answers, and you'll give justification why you answered what you did. I hope you enjoy these reading passages, and if there's anything particular you see or want to learn about reading, let me know. I could probably find that article for you. And that way we can read things that we enjoyed reading as a class. So again, this is Mr. Guidry. This was your tutorial for the English and Language Arts 7th grade class. I hope you have a great day and keep on reading.